Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to carry-on baggage hacks that every traveler needs to know. If you've ever faced long waits at baggage claim, dreaded lost luggage, or struggled with overweight fees, this video is for you. We'll show you how to pack smart, travel light, and breeze through airports like a pro. 1. Importance of carry-on only travel. Traveling with just a carry-on means no more waiting for checked bags, saving on baggage fees, and eliminating the risk of lost luggage. Plus, you get the flexibility to adapt quickly to changes in your travel plans and bypass lengthy security checks. 2. Packing essentials. Invest in a lightweight, durable carry-on bag that meets airline regulations. Keep your passport, tickets, and personal items easily accessible, and use packing cubes to organize and maximize space. 3. Folding versus rolling. The art of rolling clothes saves space and minimizes wrinkles. Compression sacks further reduce the size of your belongings, while strategically placing shoes and accessories helps maximize your carry-on space. 4. Comfort and convenience hacks. Pack snacks and entertainment to make your journey more enjoyable. Keep your devices powered with a portable charger and stay organized with travel-sized toiletries and a small first aid kit. 5. Security checkpoint tips. Ensure your carry-on is easily accessible for quick removal during security checks. Liquids and electronics should be placed in an accessible area of your bag. 6. In-flight comfort. For a comfortable flight, bring along a neck pillow, eye mask, and noise-canceling headphones. These essentials will help you relax and enjoy your journey. Final tips. Remember, packing light and smart is key to a stress-free travel experience. Double-check airline regulations and practice different packing methods to find what works best for you. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.